2 Parker Brothers games. These came with a lot that I purchased on eBay, and it didn't say what games these were. These 2 Parker Brothers games, but they appear to be corroded. This one's definitely corroded inside the pins, so I will have to clean it out. But the thing about this one, I believe this is glued shut together, so I don't think I'm going to be able to open that one. So I'm going to try to do the best I can to clean it without breaking the case. And here's another one. This one has, I believe, some corrosion. Let's see if this one will work. Oh, it does work. I think this one is Spider-Man. This one does work. I believe this one's Spider-Man. Okay, I gotta look it up. Yeah, this one looks like Spider-Man. Yeah, I think this one's Spider-Man. So, this one I don't know what this one is, but let's try to stick it in there. There, this is too corroded. But this one, I'm just gonna clean this one off a bit. Let me use a Q-tip. Yeah, that one was Spider-Man, but it's missing the label. So I'm gonna use this Q-tip right here just to clean it up as best as I can. Thank goodness I didn't have to open it, because this one has a screw, but it looks like it's glued together still, even though with this. Even though with the screw it still appears to look like it's glued together, glued shut. So let's just use a little bit of stuff here, some contact cleaner. Okay. As it works. And I'm going to go with that. Okay, I'm going to use this here. And use another Q-tip. This definitely looks like Spider-Man, but this doesn't have a label on it. But since I don't have this one, I'll just put the name on it here, Spider-Man. So if I come across Spider-Man with the label, I'll just sell this one and replace it with the one with the label. So let me see. Looks pretty good. So let's just shove this in here. Hold on, I gotta shut this back on like that. I just messed that up again. What that? There you go. Okay, this definitely looks like Spider-Man. I gotta clean this out, the back here. Give me some of this. Clean off this sticker here. Try to get this sticker off. Okay. It's coming off, see? Wipe it down a little bit. Almost got it out. Almost got it out. Alright. Looks good. best I could do. Best I could do right now. Okay. Get this part here. There you go. So I'm just gonna use the labeler to write the name on it for now. I use this brother labeler just to Spider. I know that's Spider-Man. Spider-Man. I know that is Spider-Man. It looks like Spider-Man. I'll just stick this on temporarily there so I know which game it is. I'm going to have to cut it. I have to trim it a little bit. The edges there. And then I'm going to just stick it on like this on top. But for now, just leave it there. I'm not going to fully stick it on. So I got to figure out what game is this one here. Okay, there is some corrosion there, but I'm going to try to quickly clean it off. Let's try it. Let's try to figure this one out. Let's see what this is. Another Parker Brothers game. Clean as best as I can. You know. Can we get this one working? There's too much corrosion on this one. This one, I'm going to have to, looks like I may have to open this. And that's a bad thing. I don't know how I'm going to get this open because this one doesn't even have a screw on it for me to open this. This is like completely glued together. I mean, I could wait for the detox, this detox stuff for corrosion, detox it, and try to clean off the corrosion without trying to open it. You know, my thing is I don't want to mess up the case, break the case on it. So if I can get some detox, and if that works, then I could use that. Let me see if I can just clean it with what I have right now. Okay, let me try. I got some of this contact cleaner. Sprayed a little bit of it in there. Okay. Spray a little bit of that. Air cleaner. Alright. Some alcohol. A lot of chemicals here messing with. I got electric cleaner. Contact cleaner, it's the same thing. But I don't know if I'm gonna get this. I gotta do the best I can. Try to remove this corrosion. This one is very dirty, extremely dirty. Cannot open this one. Alright, let's give it a shot. Give it a shot. Oh, that's Q-Bert. It works. Q-Bert. This is Q-Bert. Q-Bert. It works. Got it working. Alright. Got it working. Without opening it. That's a good thing. I gotta clean the plastic, the case. So 2 mystery games. I'm gonna clean off this with alcohol. This is Q-Bert, another game that I don't have. Just don't have the label on these. But I'm gonna clean off the whole cartridge. So if I get my hands on one that has the label, then I'll just keep the better looking one and just sell this one. Somebody that might have one that's, sometimes some of the games the case might be broken, but I can use the label and swap the label, you know. I can swap that label. I don't want to make labels for them. Just want to try to keep them original, you know. Just like this. Alright. Looks pretty good. It looks pretty good to me. Let's wipe it down inside there a little bit. I'm happy that I got these working. When I looked at them first, I was like, oh, I don't think I'm going to get these working. You know, I doubt it. Yeah, but I'm going to try, you know. This one looks pretty good. Oh, there you go. Sometimes, you know, sometimes you get this where you mess with it too much, then it don't work. Then you get that. Just put a little bit more alcohol in this. Alright, so let's try it again. I know this works, though. I know this works. Okay, I don't know why I have to turn this off and turn it on again, this monitor. That was working. What happened there? Okay, there it goes. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. I'm out.